Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am back with a brand new Procreate tutorial video for you guys after a long time, and in this video I am going to show you how you can make this simple and beautiful looking pattern style in Procreate. This is super easy and anyone can do it. Even if you are just starting in Procreate, you can make it easily as well. Just make sure that you watch the video till the end to avoid skipping any necessary steps. Now, without any further ado, let's get into it. First of all, we need to create a canvas. So to create a new canvas, tap the plus icon here and select the new canvas icon. Now, you can set the dimensions to any size you like. For me, I am setting it to 4000 pixels by 4000 pixels for a perfect square canvas. And for the color profile, I am using the P3 color gamut, but you can choose the sRGB as well. For this tutorial, I'll be using only these two colors from my color palette. And if you want to use the exact same colors, I will share the color palette link in the description for you guys, so don't forget to check it out. Now first thing we will do is select this color from the palette and fill the canvas. Now tap the transform tool and rotate it about 45° angle. Tap fit to canvas and deselect the transform tool. Now go to the layer menu and duplicate the layer. Now tap the transform tool again and drag the layer to left half of the canvas. Then deselect it, open the layer panel and duplicate the layer again. Tap the transform tool and drag it to the right half of the canvas until it snaps perfectly. Open the layer menu and select this layer. Now select this dark blue color and fill the layer with it. Open the layer menu and duplicate the layer. Then tap the transform tool and drag the layer to upside half of the canvas. And do the same for the last layer by selecting the layer from the layer menu. Tap the transform tool and drag it to the downside half of the canvas. Deselect the transform tool. Now go to the layer menu again and merge all the layers. Create a new layer by tapping this plus icon. Now select this color and fill in the layer. Tap the transform tool to rotate it 45° angle and tap fit to canvas. Double tap the transform tool and scale the layer to an exact quarter of the canvas and set it around the top left corner. Now drag it right here and then slowly drag it to the middle of the canvas. Then go to the layer menu and duplicate the layer. Tap the transform tool to select and drag it to upside until the layer gets exact half. Now go to the layer menu again and duplicate the layer. Select the layer and drag it to the downside until it snaps perfectly. Now go to the layer menu again and select this layer. Select the dark blue color from the palette and fill the layer with this color. Then go to the layer menu again and duplicate the layer. Then tap the transform tool and drag the layer to the left side this time. Now go to the layer menu and select the other layer. Tap the transform tool and drag the layer to the right side of the canvas. Go to the layer menu and merge all the layers by pinching like this. Now tap the transform tool to select, then scale it to an exact quarter of the canvas. Now go to the layer menu and duplicate the layer. Tap to select and drag it to the right side of the canvas. Now rotate the layer for 2 times by tapping here. Then go to the layer menu and duplicate the layer again. Then drag it to the down right corner and rotate it for 2 times. Open the layer panel for the last time and duplicate the layer again. Tap to select, drag it to the down left corner of the canvas and rotate it for 2 times again. Now do this process for 1 more time. You can go 1 step further by doing it 1 more time. And that's it. Now it's your turn to create this pattern style by yourself. You can save this video as a reference, and after creating this, you can export it as a PNG or JPEG, and you can set this as a wallpaper on your iPhone or your iPad and have fun. If you have any questions regarding this video or Procreate, then drop them in comments below. Okay, that's it for this video. If you find this video helpful, then please give it a like, and if you want to learn more about Procreate or digital art in details, you can subscribe to my channel for future uploads. By the way, my name is Roy and you are watching Roy Hindustani Arts YouTube channel. I will see you next time in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.